We will start with contour resources. So for that I'm just going to take blank project. So as usual, just one task and then 5 duration, converting this to auto schedule, going to resource sheet, adding resource, and we can able to add rates and going back to Gantt chart. So right click, assign resource. So assign, so that resource. So here we have a task usage, and in task usage we can able to see for each task like what are all the resource we have assigned. So you can click this resource and then double click, you will get this assignment information. So in this assignment information we have some details where we can able to assign resource contours. So here it is, work contour. So by default it will be in a flat shape. We also have other shapes, back loaded, front loaded, and then bill, such kind of shapes. So why this resource contour needed? Like we can able to spread our resources over time based on the shapes. So we will see like for flat how it looks like. So right click and then go to resource graph. So where we can able to see it is in a flat manner. So where the resource going to consume totally, like maximum unit we are going to consume. So based on the shapes we can able to spread our resources over time. This is called contouring. So now I am just going back and then changing the shape. For example, work contour I am just going for backloaded and click OK. So then we can able to see in indicator this assignment dynamically schedules using a backloaded pattern. So we can just go for resource graph. See now we can able to see like how our resources got spread. See now only 15 percentage initially and then later 25 and then 50, 75. But finally like it is like utilizing the total work units 100 percentage. So this is called backloaded. It will be 100 percentage in back, which means at the end of a activity. So like this we can able to spread our resources or we can able to assign. So this is something called resource assignment based on resource contouring. So here you will get the indicator. Now I also going for another shape, bell shape. So click OK. Now the indicator will change to bell shape graph. So right click and then go for resource graph. Now we can able to see the bell shape. So start with 10 and gradually increasing to 100 in the middle and then decreasing and then it will become 10 at the end of the project or end of the task. So like this we can able to make use of contouring. So by default we can just go back to flat. So but I just want to see whether it is like automatically updating if I am updating like a duration. For example, if I am just going back or here I am just going to put 15 days. So automatically total work became 60 hours. So we can able to see in a resource graph or we can able to see here 1.2, 1.6, 3.2, 4.8 and then 6.4 and then it will go 8 and then it come back to 0.8. So in resource graph we can able to see that. So which means like whenever you are updating the duration, it will automatically get updated. So if you increase the duration for any task, so the project stretches the contour to include the new durations also. So it will automatically get stretched. So like this we can able to make use of resource contouring. So this is in Microsoft project. So the same we can able to do resource curves in Primavera. So by default we have 5-day duration and then we have so flat. So which means 40 hours. When I'm just changing this to backloaded and then click OK, then will automatically change the duration accordingly. So because of the resource spread. how the resource spread over time, like accordingly the duration also increases. So again I'm just double click, and here I'm just going for bell, click OK. So accordingly our duration increased. So this we can able to control by task type. So just double click it, so you will get task information, and where you can able to control the task type, where you can go for fixed units or fixed duration. So we already discussed this, so you can refer that if you want. So based on that also we will get the work hours. So I'm just going to try this with the fixed duration. So when it is like fixed duration, I'm just going to put 5 day. So totally it is like a 20 hours. Accordingly we are getting. So when I'm just putting, so when I'm just changing the shape, we will see how the duration, whether it will change or not, since it is like fixed duration. So I'm just going for flat, click OK. So accordingly the work only changing, because since it is like fixed duration. So will click OK. See that you can able to choose from a task type. So like this we can able to make use of resource contouring in this Microsoft project.